good afternoon, guys. So I'm wearing helmet today because we are going to a bike ride today, right, honey?
Yep.
So
Gotta go do stuff.
gonna be more fun. Oh, good.
Take lunch.
What?
Lunch I never ate.
It's gonna be fun, guys. We're gonna do a ride bike today. It's get that legs more exercise, and yeah. Are you gonna bring that?
We're gonna spread some ashes.
I'm scared. Don't break it.
I don't know.
Where are we going? In the that's far.
It's not far.
Good luck.
If I went my fastest, I could be there in 10 minutes.
Okay, so are we going to down the hill? Are we going to?
We're just gonna go up the street.
Okay.
Until the school. Then we're gonna take a right. And we're gonna go until it ends. Then we go like 2 blocks. Then we go down a steep hill. Then we're in the green belt.
Okay, cool. Because I'm too scared.
And then from the green belt, it's like 10 minutes of riding really slow, and we'll be to where I want to go.
Okay, because I kind of I'm still scared going down the hill.
Oh, you'll be fine going down the hill. Last time you hauled ass.
This is the second time. It's been a long time ago that I did that, so I'm.
You'll be fine.
Good luck. That's gonna be fun. At the same time, I'm nervous and it's scary. So we'll see, guys. I'll see you, I guess, later.
Here's Christine being scared of the hill. Yeah, she's in there, right in the middle. It's not the best camera lighting. It's almost to the sun. There she is. Squeaky brakes.
So alright, guys, we stop over here to the lake. No?
Clear Creek.
Clear. So okay, I'm wrong. Clear Creek.
Yeah,
So
it's a small river, which we call a creek.
okay, so our bike is right there, guys. So my legs is already shaking because I'm not used to it. Riding a bike for like how many? Is it like 30 minutes ride?
This is 4 miles. Yeah, from home to here is about 4 miles.
So guys, 4 miles, my legs is shaking already. But we got a nice view on this water. I love the sounds of the water. So yeah, I guess. By the way, I'm using my phone, guys. Just letting you know.
Well, the back camera is much better, but your phone is fine.
I know. It's fun though, see?
Better than the white camera.
Well, I need a tripod maybe. Oh, sorry. Actually touched my camera. It's fun riding a bike. I'm still scared when my bike is like getting fast. Well, too scared and my legs is shaking. But anyways, guys, that's it for now.
Oh, hold on.
Repeat it again. I didn't record it. Sorry. I'm not getting to use the phone. Okay, go.
The background sounds are bagpipes.
All right.
It's like a college something. I don't know. They're all like in their 20s.
Okay. So where are we going? We're ready? I like the background, guys. I like the background. I like the view. So I guess that's it for now, guys. We're heading back and our bike, it's ready. Bye for now. So alright, guys, hey, finally we're home. That was fun. I almost got an accident because I don't know how to use the brake. So but now I figure it out, so it's fun. Next bike ride I'll be fine, and my legs is shaking still until now. This does be a long bike ride. Can you take it off for me, honey, please?
Squeeze it.
I don't know how to take it off. I never
Two fingers.
I never use head. What do you call this? Helmet. Yes, that's it. Oh,
Yep.
those things. That feels so good. Whew. So now we're gonna sit for a while to rest my legs because my leg is shaking really bad. This is my second time ride a bike like a little bit far. The first one, it's been maybe we'll see 2 years, so that's a long time. So I guess I'll see you later, guys. Okay guys, after we ride a bike I'm really hungry, so we're gonna try the chips and we're gonna dip it this French onion dip sour cream. So that's how it looks like, and we're gonna try it.
What are these chips?
I like it because it's soft. It's not stab my teeth, my gums or whatever. So we're trying it out. Let me see.
Yeah, it's gonna be a completely new dip for you.
I know. Oh, why is it like not? It's hard.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. It's good, guys. It's good. Actually, it's good to dip in the chips. That one.
Let go. I didn't look at the health part. It's not horrible. No trans fat. That's something. Sodium's a little high, which I would say is not too bad. But then you're eating it with potato chips, so now your salt's just nuts.
Okay. It's good. Okay guys, we're gonna eat. Enjoy eating, and I guess I'll see you later, right?